All right, so here's a quick review of NITECORE NB10000 Gen 2. So this is a bit old, but I got it for a good price over the 8/8 sale, and it's only about 2,000 pesos almost. Like typically this costs around 2,300. So what is this? So this is the most lightest 10,000 milliamp power bank that you can get, and it's really got this nice packaging here, as you can see. And this power bank boasts only about 150 milligrams of weight in comparison with the typical power banks, which usually weighs around 200. And yeah, it has your manuals. It has a USB-C cable, I presume. Yeah, USB-C cable. And this is about it. This is so, yeah, as you can see, it's so thin. It has a USB-A, a USB-C port, and I think that's about it on the package. And we're gonna try to rock this on our, Galaxy Z Fold 6. Um, and let's see. All right. Okay. So that's a quick review of the NITECORE. Gen 2 NB10000. So as you can see, it's really thin and nice to carry. Um, yeah, probably one of the most lightest power banks, and this will definitely make it on my everyday carry accessory. Aside from my current usual daily driver, this MagSafe rack safe rack space, sorry, rack space MagSafe power bank. So this is definitely gonna make it as my most lightest 10,000 milliamp wired power bank. It, in case that you're gonna charge also some low power devices such as like AirPods or headphones, like you can do a long press of this one, and there should be a white light. This is supposedly a white light. I'm not sure if it's all that visible, but like there's that fourth light there that's gonna light up. It basically means that it's in low power mode, and I can turn that off again. See, that disappeared. All right, so that's a quick unboxing of the NITECORE NB10000 Gen 2. All right, please hit like or subscribe. Bye bye.